Hello everyone. Today I am going to walk you through the Telegram movie info bot built using Node.js, Firebase, and the OMDB API. This bot allows users to search for movies, save favorites, set a preferred genre, and retrieve detailed movie information. Let's get started. First, we initialize the bot using the Node Telegram bot API library and set up Firebase Firestore for storing user data. This is related to that. We also define the API token here and enable polling for real-time interactions. As you can see, this is the code related to now. This ensures our bot can store Firebase and can store user data. When a user starts the bot, the information is stored in Firebase. Here is how it. Sorry, this is the code related to my start command. Whenever the user types hash start, you will get the following data. Let me show you this one. Let's click start. You can see this is the data which I gave in this code, this thing, and when I click start, the following data is being viewed. You can see. This ensures that user is registered in our database. As you can see, this is my Google Firebase database. Here you can see a collection named users, and here inside the users you can find the following ID. If you click on this ID, you will see the following things. As you can see, my first name is Shankar Satyanam and my user ID is the following. As I click start, I entered into the users. Now, let's search for a movie on this. Mm, for example, let's see about Tribler. Sorry. Yeah, for example, let's check about the movie Tribler. There are five films related to this same keyword Tribler. So let's choose one of the following one. Tribler. So you can see the movie poster and also details regarding to that film. So if you wonder how did I get this one, this is the following code which I used to get this output. As you can see, let me show you. Yeah, this byte of code is used to search for a movie in my bot. This helps show the list of films. If there are any movies with same name, I will get a list of movies as you saw before. This is the reason for that list, and this piece of code helps us to see the, excuse me, this code is the reason for the fetch movie, for fetching the movie details. As when you typed tripler, you got this following details. You got this detail due to this piece of code that is written here. As you can see, whenever I type, and not only that, whenever you enter this any movie name, that will be updated in database. So let's check it. So as you type dribbler in the searches, so let's go to collection name searcher. You can find some ID here. Okay, let me. As you give the movie name dribbler, the thing will be stored in my database. As you can see, here is the collection name movies. Inside this collection movies, you found the document. See, you can see here. Let me show you. These are the complete details, and this is your user ID. Based on this user ID, I can find who wrote this. I mean, who asked this movie as the same ID, and I can. Let me. This one is matching here. I can know the who is typing here in my data, and I can also know the request time. So you can see I requested this one at around 10:58 p.m. on March March 2nd, 2025. You can find the movies where I got in the bot whenever I typed the movie name. Not only, and in my bot you can also add any favorite movie, related to you. So, for example, this movie name Thriller is my favorite name. I can add it by using this command add underscore favorite. So I got the pop-up named Thriller added to my favorites. So a new collection named favorites will be created. Inside this, I'll find the, let me see, you can see here the same user ID. That means only I am using this one bot. So I'll get it on my ID itself. You can find the genre of the film and the movie name Thriller in my favorites. So let me add another one. Sorry, let's take this one as a reference. Let me say my second favorite film is PK. So you can see here it got updated. See, the genre of the movie is comedy, drama, and sci-fi, and the same user ID which it means only me, and the movie name PK. These will be added to my favorites. This is occurred by the following code which I wrote before in my code. You can see using this code I added my favorite movie to the database, and you can also remove the favorites which you input before. This is the code responsible for that. So let me show you how to remove a favorite. I mean, you can delete as remove favorite. Let's think I would like to remove PK. As you can see, this got disappeared whenever I type that. Now you can also check the favorites which you wrote before. This could be happened by the following code favorites. Whenever you type backslash favorite, you will get the favorite which you added by the using the command add favorite. Favorites. You can see Spider. This is a film which I had before. These are my favorite movies. You can see recently I input Thriller and Spider which I added before. So this is, you can see these are my favorites, and it is for this following ID. By this ID you can know which user got written this. Means which user got search for following film in my bot. And finally, you can also set your favorite genre by using this command. You can find the your favorite. You can also add your favorite genre by using the following command. Favorite genre, let it be some thriller. So you got the message like favorite genre set to thriller. You can find this in the users collection. You can see this is my ID. Instead of that, see, you can see preferred genre is thriller. So like this you can use my bot name Easy Movie Finder, and the code related to set the favorite genre is, you can see it. That's it. We have built a fully functional Telegram movie bot that lets users search, save, and manage movies using Firebase. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and happy